Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing equipment. Charge the Infinix Hot 10 above 50% and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network, then plug into your PC with the original cable. Once done, enable USB debugging in developer options if the method requires ADB. This allows your PC to access system files. Make sure My Suite or ADB drivers are installed on the PC so the phone is recognized. Start with the phone unlocked and screen on. This prevents interruptions during the backup handshake and file transfer. Now perform the actual backup using the chosen tool. If using ADB, run the ADB backup command with options to include apps, shared storage, and all user data, then specify the backup file name. Accept the confirmation on the phone and enter a backup password if you want encryption. If using My Suite, choose Full Device Backup and follow its guided prompts. During the transfer, watch progress on both devices and make sure you do not disconnect or let the phone sleep, because interruptions corrupt the backup. To restore, connect the phone and use ADB Restore plus the backup file name or run My Suite's restore flow, entering the backup password when prompted. The process reinstalls apps and copies data back. Once complete, reboot the phone and verify core items like contacts, photos, messages, and app logins. Make sure Google or other accounts resync. If something goes wrong, first reinstall or update USB drivers and retry on a different PC, because most failures are connection or driver related rather than corrupted backups.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.